Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about the basic patterns. So we have to start the cursive writing. Before going to that, we have to practice these basic patterns and shapes. So it is helpful for children for writing the cursive letters very neatly and beautifully. So in the last video, I will show the slanting line, how to practice the slanting line. In this video, I will show you the backward oval. Start from the dot and follow the directions. Okay. So here is the dot. This is the direction. So here is the dot. So like this. So children, when we have to start these patterns or cursive writing or cursive letters, so we have to use must and should the very sharp pencils. We need very sharp pencils. So that is the main thing for we have to practice the backward countings. Okay, start from the dot and for the direct. This is a backward oval. Okay, this is a backward oval. We draw from dot to this dot. So this backward oval, this is a backward oval, that is the direction is like this. So just show you dot from the dot like this. Okay, then like this. Okay, this is a backward oval shape like this. So every day we practice like this. First the basic patterns and shapes. So then only we have to start the cursive letters. Okay. So here is the dot. So start from oval like this. Okay, in this direction. So this line to touch to this line like this. Okay, this is a backward oval. So parents, please guide your children to draw these basic patterns. So before we practice the cursive letters. Okay, like this. Okay, next is the forward oval. So start from the dot and follow the direction. So this is a direction. Okay, so this is the dot. So forward. So we have to come like this direction. We draw this direction. Start from the dot and follow the direction. This is a forward oval. So this is a backward oval. This is a forward oval. So like this. Like this. Okay. Like this. Okay, this is a forward oval touch to this line this. So like this. Okay, forward oval. So pencil should be very sharp whenever we have to start this basic patterns or cursive letters. Okay, like this. Okay, so backward counting I will show you after practicing these dots. So we have to write here the backward, forward oval. This is a forward oval. So we draw like this, forward oval. Children, this is a forward oval. This is a forward oval. So like this we have to practice. Thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.